Do what?
I'm gonna go get the old man.
So, we've got some sound foam up on all the walls now. Some bass traps. And we're gonna do a recording, see how it sounds. Is it tuned?
That thing's missing a string.
See how it sounds. I have to cover up the windows a little bit. All right, Caleb, sing us a song.
I call this tuning. E, 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 E. Hey!
I like. Hey!
Hey!
Well, it just deadens right down.
Well, cardboard decks and cigarettes and what am I really worth? I'm contemplating my life choices and the burn holes in my shirts. I'm a second generation alcoholic who once cried to God. Now trains and drugs have killed my friends and I know that I'm a fraud. Sounds good.
Sounds good, yeah.
It's really dead.
It's very dead.